All right, scholars, this is lab 1. This is Bran Flakes and Magnets. This beginning activity is going to lead us to ask an important question and come up with a hypothesis. Read the following directions carefully and stay focused. Pour container A, filled with water, onto plate A. Take 4 flakes out of container B. Crush them into tiny pieces with your fingers. Then place the pieces gently on top of the water. Bring a magnet close to the layer of crumbs, but don't let the magnet touch any of them. Hover or drag the magnet over the crumbs and see if you can get any pieces to move. Are any pieces moving? How is this happening? Step 1. Ask a question. Why are bran flakes attracted to the magnet? Step 2. Do background research. Let's check out the nutrition facts on the side of the Bran Flakes cereal box. Do you see all the vitamins and minerals listed? Something in the bran flakes is attracted to the magnet. We need to figure this out. All right, looking at our nutrition label, we see that there is iron in bran flakes. Using background knowledge, I know that iron is a metal and is attracted to magnets, as well as it's in the bran flakes. So I wonder if it's the iron in the bran flakes that is attracted to the magnets. Step 3. Form a hypothesis. Hypothesis. Iron is in bran flakes, which is attracted to magnets. Step 4. Do an experiment. We are going to do an experiment to see if we can pull out the iron in bran flakes. Follow the directions carefully so you can be successful. We are going to create cereal soup, so pay close attention to the next steps. Take one of the bags labeled C. It should be a plastic bag filled with bran flakes. Take your bag and hold it over a bucket or large bin provided for you. Make sure that you keep your bag held over the bucket before, during, and after another group member has poured the correct amount of water into your plastic bag. Pour water from container D into the bag only to the fill line, the dark line near the top of the plastic bag. Then seal and close the bag very tightly. You might need some help. Someone might try to support it from underneath, but make sure you seal that. You're going to hear that zip lock. Give the bag a few good shakes, but do not be violent with it. We are trying to make the cereal a soup so that we can find the iron in it. Then place your bag in area E, the area near your station labeled E. Your bag needs to sit for 20 minutes before you move on to the next step in our cereal soup experiment. So, set a timer for 20 minutes.
All right, scholars, this is Ms. Volpe interrupting. Right now you're going to take a break from your science fair experiment, and you are going to watch some neat videos about magnets while your bag sits and becomes cereal soup. So enjoy the videos.
Bing, bing, bing. Is your timer up? If yes, then let's move on to the next step. Find your bag in area E. Make sure it is tightly sealed, closed. Place the bag flat on your palm. Then place the magnet on top of the bag. Now place your other hand on top of the magnet. Flip the whole thing over so the magnet is underneath the bag. And what you're going to do is slosh, a gentle slosh. You're trying to catch the metallic iron pieces that are in the Bran Flakes, because we made Bran Flake soup, so all those pieces of iron should be floating around in there. Okay, after some time of sloshing, you want to pinch the now top part and then carefully flip the bag over again. And then carefully lift your hand up and let go of the magnet, and you should see a black pieces or little pieces of black dots that were around the magnet. That is the iron in Bran Flakes.
Awesome job, scholars. The next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to let others in your group try to hold and flip the bag in order to find the iron in it. You can do this for 1 minute per person in your group. When everyone has had a chance to try to find, pause the video here while you wait for your friends to each take a turn. When everyone has had a chance to try to find the iron in the soup cereal, place the bag back on area E and leave it there. Step 5. Analyze the data. Scholars, show your results. Write down what happened. Step 6. Draw a conclusion. Scholars, was your hypothesis correct? Why or why not? Record your ideas on your lab sheet. Step 7. Communicate results. Discuss the results as a class when you get back to your regular classroom teacher. When you are completely finished with steps 1 through 6, you may go on the computers and go on Compass Science until the teacher instructs you to pack up.